Welcome. I'm Hannah, and in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly adjust the zoom level in Excel using a simple keyboard shortcut. Whether you want to zoom in to see more details or zoom out to get a broader view of your data, this shortcut makes it easy to change the zoom level without having to use the mouse. Let's get started. First, make sure you're in the Excel workbook where you want to adjust the zoom level. To zoom in and increase the size of the content on your screen, press Ctrl plus scroll up with your mouse wheel. This will zoom in and make the text and data appear larger. To zoom out and decrease the size, press Ctrl plus scroll down with your mouse wheel. This will zoom out, giving you a broader view of your spreadsheet. Here is a quick tip. If you don't have a mouse with a scroll wheel, you can press Alt plus View, or Alt plus W in some versions, to open the View tab, then use the zoom buttons to adjust the level manually. But the mouse shortcut is much quicker for on-the-fly adjustments. That's it. Now you know how to adjust the zoom level in Excel using just a simple keyboard shortcut and your mouse. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to Sheet Leveler for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.